Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. We are on location or vacation. New vibe, who this? This is not permanent, but we are back May 23rd, Executive Order Restoring Gold Standard Science. All right, so the president has issued an order to improve the scientific integrity in how the federal government uses science to make decisions, so that government decisions are based on solid, transparent evidence. The order says that people's trust in science and the government's use of science has dropped due to many reasons, including scientists saying that there is a reproducibility crisis, meaning it's hard to repeat and confirm scientific studies. Also, some scientists have just blatantly faked data or made errors, leading to major retractions of studies. And government agencies have used bad science to make decisions, sometimes because of political pressure. Food pyramid, what? Examples of past problems spelled out in the order include CDC COVID guidelines that were influenced by outside groups and not purely based on science, climate change predictions relying too heavily on extreme climate scenarios like RCP 8.5. I would Google that one. That's a good one. And that is basically not the most likely outcome, but the most extreme case. So it also spells out that general political influence around injecting DEI ideologies into how science is conducted. So the goal moving forward will be to use transparent, reproducible, and high-quality science, aka gold standard science. And researchers must be honest about uncertainties and errors and communicate findings clearly and fairly without any exaggeration or hiding of key facts. The Office of Science and Technology Policy, OSTP, will set new rules for how agencies should do that gold standard science. Also, agencies will review what they have done in the past administrations and make corrections where necessary. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time.